Hey guys, welcome to my lightbox. On this video I would like to talk about why I added lemon yellow to my plein air painting palette recently, and this would be because of time. Making greens can be really challenging, and when you have time like you have on plein air painting, and if you plein air paint you know what I'm talking about, the light is changing constantly. I believe Monet would say the light was changing every 7 minutes, so you have 7 minutes to mix your colors, man. And uh, time is of an essence when you are plein air painting. So even though I'm a big fan of color mixing, I started trying to save some time when I'm plein air painting, and I want to share these tips with you. So let's start by mixing our Ultramarine Blue with yellow, with Hansa Yellow, and this could also be a cadmium yellow. They are strong yellows, and this makes for a very high chroma green. Look at this, very beautiful, very strong color, and this is fine. This you may need this kind of green, especially if you have grass or something. But if you are painting naturalistic style, if you want to paint the greens that you see, you need much more than this. And you know that to take the chroma out of this green, it's gonna be painful. I gotta add some red to it or some magenta, and it's gonna be a long process. And again, time is of an essence here. Let me put a little bit more of yellow here so that we can see a lighter mix. Too much yellow, more green. All right, we also have a lighter mix here. And again, very acidic green, very strong, very high chroma acidic green. And if you use the lemon yellow that I have been talking about, let's put some blue here. What you will have, it's a much less saturated green, okay? Very much on the blue side and without any kind of saturation. Look, absolutely muted green. Let's add some more yellow to see how far this takes us. And you can see that without adding any red, browns, or white, we already have a completely different and much more lower in chroma as for a green. Let's try to add some white to this mixture. Let's put this here and bring a little white to the game, and let's see what happens. So again, very strong color, and keeping always this yellowish tone, acidic tone of a very vivid green. And if we go and we add white to our mixture over here, like we did with that one, let's go for some white. Here I have some green. I have to clean my knife. Okay, here we go. You see that again, like with the blue, the white took over, and oh, you see mostly white on camera. Let's add more green to this to see. Okay, here we go. And now you can compare the two greens. And even if I add more white on this mixture, let's try to go for the same value as the one on the side here. It's almost not even green, it's almost a maple yellow or something. It's a very yellowish color, and so it's difficult to keep the green. I would have to go again and add some more green and lose the brightness, light it up with yellow. This is complicated. It's a complicated game to play when you have time like you have in the plein air painting. So that's why I brought the lemon yellow to the game.